We're going to be talking about mergers and acquisitions. There's going to be a business climate for that. We know a lot of stuff's going on right now as companies are pivoting and trying to survive and grow in new directions. Don't you want to hear about what that's all about? The new safety protocols are definitely a part of every event now, right? So the GBAC standards, the new attendee rules, exhibitor and sponsor requirements, that's also part of the content we're going to talk about. How about managing in 2021, right? Every one of us now is either a remote worker or freelancer or managing and employing those. There's going to be new positions that don't even exist in 2021 based on this new reality. What are designs going to look like based on these new business conditions? We're also going to have FaceTime with industry peers and colleagues. That's always my high value takeaway. The annual awards gala and dinner is great. And for those rare few, the annual Griffin safety meeting will take place. I'll be honest, if you have to ask what that is, you probably shouldn't even be attending. But 3 words about that this year: wall of bourbon. I've said too much already. Look, 2020's been a difficult year for all of us. I know that, but I really know this. We're always better when we get together. This industry, this community does better when we get together. And we not only expect to do that every year, we deserve it more than ever this year. So in person, the 3-day Access event, the board has thought about this, and they are hosting Access as an at-cost event this year. So it's about half the price of what it was last year. So really making it an incentive for us to come. We know how the hardship everybody's under this year, so costs are going to be there. But we are also going to do it safely, right? So we're limiting this to 175 attendees. That's about half of what we had last year. Social distancing will be the norm. We'll be practicing that both in the meetings as well as all meals being served. And some other good news is La Cantera, at our urging, starting months ago, has now just completed their requirements for GBAC certification. So you can bet the highest standards and protocols for cleaning and disinfecting are going to be in practice. So great news about that for those of us that are concerned about that. So I look forward to seeing you there. If you want to register your space or reserve a spot, hit up the EDPA.com website. Upper right corner, you'll see the red button that says Access 2020, or reach out to Dasher Lowe or Rick Klimek, and they'll make sure they reserve your spot. So I look forward to seeing you in San Antonio. Be well.